Hi, my name is James McAllister and I work for Vanderbilt. Welcome to your new web shop. I'll give you a quick overview of how everything works. So let's start at the top. We're currently in the international sales shop. When you click in here, you can see the various shops. Non-standard applies to Siemens only, so that's Siemens staff, but the rest will apply to you. So always make sure you're in the correct shop. It should default automatically, but if you get lost, check here first. So we'll carry on with the international shops. We have a dummy account here that shows list prices. So here you can see the access control, intrusion and video product lines reflected down here. And then down here we have top sellers and some panels for our award-winning cloud solutions. So you've got Act365 for access control and SPC Connect for intrusion, and you can learn more by clicking there. So how do we find product? Well, you can do that a few different ways. You can click into any one of these or onto any one of these, or use your search bar. So let's have a look here. Intrusion. So you've got a side menu that pops up. It's quite good. You've got listings. You've got the search bar still. So let's say control panels. And let's have a look at this one. So as you can see, it shows the price. If you're logged in as an SAP customer, you will see your price and various details around that. Now, what's interesting about this is you've got various tabs, and we will be adding more tabs to this as time goes on. But at the moment, you'll see the description, the product description, the documentation. So you'll see here a wiring manual, and then the various different languages that's available in. So there's quite a bit of information there, and you can also download software from this product detail page. And then there's a few suggested other products to look at. So you can simply order that by clicking that. When you click that, this sidebar pops up. You can check your details and proceed to checkout. But we won't do that yet. We'll try the search bar. So let's say we want an Act365 controller. And again, you can see it pop up here. Price, documentation, product detail, datasheet, application note, installation documents in the various languages. What's really nice as well is that you can go into various photos. If we have them up, you can look in closely. But also, if you want to download that for your own use, just click on it once. Up here, you'll have a download tool. Click that, and you'll see it download there. It's quite good if you're doing your own website. And again, the same thing. If you want to place an order, add it to the shopping cart, proceed to checkout. We may as well follow this one. You can see what your payment method is. This is all pre-programmed, so whatever's agreed in your terms and conditions, your shipping method, and you can see your VAT, etc. Hit next, and yes, I've read and accepted. Dummy account details. Then you'll see the odd message if something is not in stock. I will accept partial deliveries. If you want to put a comment in, check your details. You can put in your own reference number, so whatever project it relates to. And this one is quite good. We select your delivery date, and that's your total, and then send order. I won't do it just in case. So that's how to place an order. We go back here. So how do I contact customer services? Well, you can click here, and that'll open up a new tab, and that will default to your IP location. So in this case, it's Ireland, and that's the contact number there. or you can fill in a form and submit that and your preferences. Or this is quite a good section here. So that'll take you to a services page. So if you're looking for customer service information or technical support information or training information or even the partner loyalty program, it's all here in these few buttons. Or you can fill in a form and submit that again. So say you want to learn more about customer services, sales support. It'll take you to this page which lists everything that we do. If you want to return a product, you can click here for an RMA form. You can also get this under resources on the global website vanderbiltindustries.com. So let's do that. Let's have a look at that. There is an awful lot of information available at vanderbiltindustries.com. So if you go to resources on the global website, you can see all the information you need. So product returns. There's a 7-step returns process described when you link here, but really just follow out the form, fill in the form and submit, and customer services will take it from there. So that's the customer services page. How do I return goods? Who do we integrate? Okay, list of integration partners. Where can I find it? So this links to the where to buy section on the global website. So there's a lot of integrations between the web shop and global website. Yeah. And if you want training, simply click here. It brings you to a training landing page. We've developed a new training map, which is pretty cool. You can click that there. And say you want training, well, let's click this one here. That brings up the training available then. And you can register for that there. It gives you the dates. You can also search for training by quarter. So if you want just training in April and June, and you want it in, let's see, in German, German. So you can see what's available in April and June in German. Click it, and you can register for the course there. So quite straightforward. So that's the sales support or customer support page. We then go back to technical support. And you can have access to FAQs. You can arrange product training, approvals and certificates. Again, all of these are available on the global website as well. Consultant specifiers information, and you can arrange a product demo as well. So you should be able to find all of these under services. So keep services in mind as a key button for support. And that's a quick overview of the web shop. If you have any questions or if you need a quick info session, please contact customer services and they'll be happy to help. Thank you.